Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best UV flashlights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Cosoos 2-pack UV flashlight. This is a great option for pet owners or anyone looking for a compact and simple-to-use UV light. Each flashlight in this pack of 2 features 12 LEDs emitting a 395 nanometer wavelength, making it ideal for detecting pet urine stains, scorpions, and even counterfeit currency. The build quality is impressive for a budget UV flashlight, with high-quality aluminum alloy construction that ensures durability. Plus, it's IPX4 waterproof, so it can handle splashes or light rain during outdoor use. In terms of performance, the Cosoos flashlights deliver decent brightness for their size. They're lightweight and portable, perfect for carrying in your pocket or bag. However, the 12 LEDs might not be as powerful as some other options on this list, so the detection range and intensity are more suited for small-scale use. They're ideal for quick inspections or travel, but not the best for professional-grade tasks. The biggest advantage here is the value of getting 2 flashlights in one pack. While the lack of included batteries is a downside, the affordability and portability make this a great choice for casual users. If you're looking for a basic, no-frills UV flashlight, the Cosoos 2-pack is worth considering. At number 4, we have the budget-friendly Vansky 395 nanometer 12 LED blacklight flashlight 2-pack. This set is perfect for those who want an affordable and portable way to detect pet urine stains, dry stains on carpets, or even scorpions during outdoor adventures. These flashlights are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Each unit is designed with a durable aluminum casing and promises a lifespan of up to 10 years for the LEDs. Performance-wise, the 12 LEDs provide decent brightness for basic detection tasks, and the 395 nanometer wavelength is suitable for most casual uses. However, the light intensity may not be sufficient for larger areas or professional applications. For pet owners, these flashlights are a lifesaver, as they make finding and cleaning up pet accidents quick and easy. Their versatility extends to detecting counterfeit currency and curing UV resin, which is a nice bonus for hobbyists. While the Vansky 12 LED blacklight flashlight is highly affordable, it does come with a few trade-offs, such as the lack of batteries in the package and a lower overall power output compared to premium models. Still, for under $9, this 2-pack offers exceptional value and is ideal for casual users or as a backup set of UV flashlights. Coming in at number 3, we have the Vansky UV flashlight blacklight with 51 LEDs. This flashlight is a step up from smaller models, offering significantly more brightness and a wider beam range thanks to its 51 ultraviolet LEDs. It's perfect for detecting pet urine stains, bed bugs, and even scorpions. The flashlight is made from durable aluminum and has a comfortable cylindrical design with a lanyard for portability. This flashlight excels in performance for its price point. With a wavelength of 395 nanometers, it's effective for various tasks like resin curing, hotel cleanliness inspections, and even identifying unwanted substances in cosmetics. The flashlight runs on 3 AA batteries, not included, and its runtime is about 6 hours. However, it's not water-resistant, so you'll need to avoid using it in wet conditions. Its size and power make it ideal for home use or outdoor applications like camping. The Vansky 51 LED UV flashlight strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. While it lacks some premium features like rechargeable batteries or high-definition UV output, it's a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile UV flashlight without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Dark Dawn UV flashlight, a mini yet powerful option with a 395 nanometer wavelength and USB-C rechargeability. What sets this flashlight apart is its rechargeable battery. which eliminates the hassle of buying and replacing disposable batteries. It offers a runtime of 3 to 6 hours and features a convenient power indicator that turns red when the battery is low. The lightweight aluminum body is durable and water-resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Dark Dawn flashlight is versatile, capable of detecting pet urine stains, counterfeit items, and even uranium glass. It also has a focus-adjustable beam, allowing you to zoom in or out depending on the task at hand. This feature is particularly useful for pinpointing smaller stains or scanning larger areas quickly. The flashlight's compact design and pocket clip make it easy to carry anywhere, and the USB-C charging port ensures fast and efficient recharging. With its combination of portability, performance, and rechargeable convenience, the Dark Dawn UV flashlight is an excellent mid-range option. While it may not match the raw power of premium models, it offers fantastic value for everyday users who want a reliable and eco-friendly UV flashlight. Finally, at number 1, we have the new V3 365nm Mini by UV Beast, the ultimate UV flashlight for professionals and enthusiasts. This premium model is designed with high-definition pure ultraviolet light, offering a powerful 365 nm wavelength that's considered the gold standard for UV users. The result is unparalleled clarity and performance, with minimal visible light contamination. The flashlight is equipped with an upgraded 5-core UV LED, providing a wider beam, more power, and a longer runtime compared to its competitors. The build quality of the UV Beast V3 Mini is exceptional, with an anodized aluminum finish that is both lightweight and durable. It's rechargeable via a simple USB connection, eliminating the need to remove batteries or carry extra chargers. The flashlight also features a double-click activation to prevent accidental operation, making it safe for pocket storage. Whether you're a professional needing precision for leak detection or an enthusiast exploring minerals, this flashlight delivers outstanding results. While the UV Beast V3 Mini comes at a higher price point, its superior performance and innovative design justify the cost. If you're looking for the best UV flashlight on the market with professional-grade capabilities and cutting-edge technology, this is the one to choose. It's truly in a league of its own. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.